Grammar, is it?
Yes, sir.
Preposition of time. Have you heard this word?
No, sir.
Okay, time. Let it be this. Preposition. Have you heard any time?
Yes, sir.
What are the types of preposition? Tell me. I want to write. Please tell me. Do you know anything about preposition? Yeah, anyone? You don't need to be correct. Just try. Do you know anything about preposition? Yes, no. See, P-R-E, pre, P-O-S-I-T-I-O-N, position. Preposition. Pre, what is the opposite of pre? What is the opposite of pre? Pre means before and post means after. The same thing, these preposition have been made with two words. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
One is pre and one is position. To the word pre, what we can say in English? Huh? Prefix. ठीक है? Prefix. जो बाद में आया है, the second word which have been come under the same word is called help. Opposite of pre is post, right? Then opposite of prefix is no, suffix. You have not heard?
No, sir.
Example. can plus not. क्या हो गया?
Cannot.
Cannot. You plus are. Yes? You are. ठीक है? So anything, any word which have two parts. In the same word, there are two parts. The first part is called prefix and the second part is called suffix. Short way of remembering. P comes first. Q, R, S. P prefix, S suffix. Understood?
Yes, sir.
P, Q, R, S you write. Prefix first, suffix later on. Q and R is been written because not only combination of two words are made of a word, right? There are many words which are combined together to make a word, right? So Q and R, you are in class 8. That's why I am not teaching you Q and R. I am just teaching you P and S. In between, if you grow in class 9 and 10, you will be taught there. Because abhi मैं आपको, if I teach everything to you, there will be problem of restoration in your mind. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
That means अगर निवाला इतना जा रहा है तो इतना ही खाना चाहिए ना, या एक बकेट खा लोगे एक ही दिन में. Will you do that?
No, sir.
Will not do that. So whatever you eat should be digested, correct?
Yes, sir.
So the combination of two words which makes a single senseful word, are known as prefix and suffix. Give example. Another. Yes.
Your plus self.
Sorry.
Your plus
Good.
self.
What you are? Your plus
Self.
self. See, दोनों का मीनिंग अलग अलग होता है. But if you make together yourself, YOURSELF, do you think your doesn't have any meaning?
No,
It
sir.
has meaning. Self also has meaning, right? But if you combine these two, it becomes yourself. So this is also single word. This is also single word. This is also single word. Last word. What is this? Prefix or suffix? Good. What is this? Sit. You, chashma wala boy. Prefix. Everybody understood about prefix and suffix?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sit down. Coming back to preposition. Before I came to this class, where I was?
Staff room.
Staff room? Very good guess. Before staff room, where I was?
Yes, sir.
assembly. So pre, see pre, you are taking me back, right? Before this class, I was in staff room. Before staff room, I was in assembly, right?
Yes, sir.
We are going back, meaning before anything happens, what should be added? For example, I am writing on the board, at the board, in the board. Tell me.
On the
I'm
board.
writing on the board.
Yes, sir.
See, I am WRITING, writing on the BOARD. See, before board we are writing on, right? That defines preposition. Because अगर बोर्ड ही नहीं होता तो मैं कहाँ लिखता? हवा में, वॉल पे. This is the right place to write, right? This is the wrong place to write. Because I can write here and erase, but it will not look good. But if I will write here and if I will erase, I can write again. I can erase again, I can write again. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
That is said preposition. Understood? Preposition. So, in short, if you want to write or if you want to know what is preposition, preposition not only single, preposition have many definitions. For example, under, over, at, behind, very good. Anything else? Under, very good. Yes? Until, very good. Add more, come on. S,
Sin.
since, very good. SINC, since. For, everything comes under preposition. But our topic is preposition of time. Because if we study only preposition, it will be huge. That's why I have shortened it and made it preposition of time. So, preposition of time has three components. That is at, on, in. In, on, at is under the preposition of time. See, at. Come to school at time. The same thing I will write. Come to school on time. Come to school in time. I have written everything same, but at, on, in is different, right? And the same way the value and the meaning also changes. Let's see how. If we put at, in, on and in, how it differs. Let's see. Come to school at time. At time. Our school times is 7 to 30 a.m. Right?
Yes, sir.
So, if you come exactly at 7:30 a.m., where you are? First, second, or third?
Second.
Second? Very good. 7:30 a.m. Come to school on time. Exactly on time. Not 1 minute before, not 1 minute after. Understood? That is on. Come to school at time. Tell me the time now.
8:20.
8?
7:29.
7:29. Yes?
7 o'clock.
7:28. Anything else? Okay, keep it due. Keep it due. Jump to third one. Come to school in time. In time means before 7:30 a.m. That means you can come to school at 7 also, 7:05 also, right?
Yes, sir.
7:13 also, 7:29 also, not at 7:30. Before 7:30 you have to come. That says come to school in time. Understood? In time. Now at time means plus or minus 1 minute or 2 minutes, max to max 5 minutes. Come to school at time. Sometimes by hook or by crook. For example, Cecil, no? Cecil have not tied plates today, right? This is called plates, right? In Hindi you call choti. In English we call it plates. किसी कारण से उसने प्लेट नहीं बनाया होगा. She must have any excuses. She must have any reason. कभी by chance you are coming to the school, you get in traffic. Sometimes you fall down. So that will delay to coming school, right? And if you get delayed due to unnecessary work or uneven interruption, disturbance, barrier, anything which is hindering you to come to school on time, in time, then you come at time. So if you cannot come in time, you come at on time. If you don't come on time, you come at time. At time means plus or minus 5 minutes. The maximum time it is plus. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Maximum time it is
Plus.
Understood? Okay. Have you understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you all will write example. One by one, you will come and write here. From girls, one of you come. From girls, one of you come. Okay. I go to school on time. You go and write your part. I go to school in time. Good. Next. I go to school at time. Good. Is it correct? Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Which one is incorrect? Everyone is correct. Everything is correct? Good. It is correct. I go to okay. I go to home. Just copy paste. You write different. ऊपर वाला एग्जांपल से डिफरेंट यू राइट आई गो टू बस अरे you also write different. No, house home, erase all, erase all. Write new. No, don't write I go. Write different. Don't write I go. Erase go. Now write. Okay, next. Write different from both. Erase, use duster, use duster. There is duster above. Sit. Examine the syllabus. Good. Try. You are. Sentence is not matching. You are come. Sentence is not matching. Try. Who wants to help him? Okay, come. You help him. You just come and teach him, he will write. First, unfold your sleeves. Take his help. Don't give him. Learn from him and write. What is that? What is the spelling of last word? D-O? D-O-O-R. D-O-O-R. It is looking like A. Make it, write properly, door. Write door properly. Arey. Okay, go. Don't climb on the door. Okay. I go to home at time. I go to home at time is correct. Don't climb on the door. See, the word don't. It has been made with the two words. That is do plus not. Which is prefix, which is suffix?
So do is prefix, not is suffix.
Suffix. Yes, right. Don't. So most of the time, whenever you frame the sentence, listen it very carefully. Whenever you frame the sentence, do not try to use this type of things, because this comes under negative part of the sentence. We should always focus on the positive part. For example, don't, can't, not comes under negative. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Understanding? You try to use positive. I am not saying it is wrong. The sentence is perfectly correct, but the uses of the word has been chose incorrectly. Understanding? So हमें right में भी perfectly right होना है, right? Correct?
Yes, sir.
इसीलिए try to choose the positive words. For example, पहले ही तुमने don't लगा दिया, hey, don't do that. Mind में क्या रहता है? Don't. अच्छा, let me try. For example, we say no, don't make noise. अच्छा, don't make noise. Let's make noise. So the left part of our brain takes the negative part quickly. That's why we should avoid using the negative words. Understood? This is also correct. Don't climb on the door. I came to office in time. Now, did you understand in time, on time, and at time?
Yes, sir.
So this is preposition of time. Adding some words to the preposition of time, we will learn something more. All right? All right?
Yes, sir.
You see, some words from preposition we have picked. Number one is under, over, into, onto, and to. We have already covered at, on, in. That comes under preposition of time. Correct? You all have written this. Everything is correct. See, under. You can hide under the bed. Under means under, niche. Okay? Just like if this is a podium, I am under the podium. Correct? Correct? Okay. Over. Can I jump over the flowers? This over have here two meaning. Over. One over is over, completed. 6 ball bowling, over, completed. Here, cricket, yes. Can I jump over the flowers? There are flowers. Can I jump over the flowers? Question mark. This word is called interrogative word. Right, Deva?
Yes, sir.
Right? Because there is question mark, and whenever you get the question mark, the word is interrogative. Interrogative means anything which is asked in questions. So taking permission, can I jump over the flowers? Is it good to jump over the flowers?
No, sir.
It is not good. But if you don't have any way, कोई रास्ता नहीं है, you are asking the permission, right? So now it is good or not?
Good.
It is good because you are taking permission. Can I jump over the flowers? Over मतलब क्या होता है चांदनी? चांदनी over मतलब क्या होता है? Just like you know flyover.
Yes, sir.
रोड है, रोड के साइड से ऊपर सीढ़ी जाता है. ट्रेन देखे हो ट्रेन?
Yes, sir.
रेलवे स्टेशन सीढ़ी से ऊपर जाते हो, उधर जाते हो, फिर सीढ़ी से उतरते हो. That is called flyover. Okay? Flyover means ऊपर जाके फिर दूसरी तरफ जाना. Because if you cross directly the railway tracks, the train may hit you, right? तो fly over. अब बताओ over का मतलब क्या होता है? हाँ, ऊपर से जाना. Sit. Into. Put the mangoes into the box. Into the box. Into means inside. Understanding? Into. Put yourself into my shoes. Put yourself into my shoes. That doesn't means तुम अपने आप को समेट के मेरे जूते में डाल दो. That simply means whatever I am doing, whatever I am feeling, keep yourself in my place and think. Understanding? Okay. Put this box into the car means कोई box को गाड़ी में डालना. Understood? Into the box. Into समझ आ गया? First one. Anyone? Any confusion? Okay. On to, see, move the books onto the second shelf. First understand shelf. S-H-E-L-F. Shelf. If you go in the library later on, you'll see like this. यहाँ पे books रहते हैं. ऐसे खड़े, ठीक है? Like this. This is first shelf. This is second shelf, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. The word is saying move the books into the second shelf. If this is first shelf, move into the second shelf. So in order to move to the second shelf, first second shelf खाली होना चाहिए कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Right? So vacate it and then move from the first to the second. Into यानी कि anywhere which is fitable. जहाँ पे fit आ सके. For example, on to 3 people are sitting on a bench and only 3 people can sit. You cannot sit fourth one, right? So if you want to sit the fourth person, one person should come out, right? That we can say on to. Okay? Move the books onto the second shelf. Give another example. On to ka. Who can give? Come on fast. Please don't waste the time. Come on. Yes, you. Tell. Alright, tell. Try. You. Try. Yes, sir.
Move the car into second parking area.
Move.
The car onto the second
Move
parking
the
area.
car
Onto the
onto the
second parking area.
onto the
Second parking area.
good second parking. Very good. Now understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
See your dictionary for more understanding.
Yes,
Right?
Yes, sir.
Hey, concentrate here. I'm still teaching. Don't move. The last one is to. I am going to sleep. To means on the way. I'm going to school. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to teach. I'm going to washroom. On the way, which is we use TO2. Understood? But it is different from TOO2. What is this? TO2. Adding more. Where are you going? I am going to washroom. I will go to. यानी कि मैं भी चलता हूँ. Understood? यानी कि एक था, अब दो हो गए. There is another two. TWO2. TO2. TWO2. TOO2. Is it homonyms, homophones, or homographs? This is your homework. Write down. TO2, TWO2, TO2. It is homophones, homographs, or homonyms. I have taught, no?
Yes, sir.
Homophones, homographs, and homonyms.
Yes, sir.
Find out which is it. Homework. And you will make 5 words each of the sentence. Under say 5 word. Under 5 words से ना 5 sentence बनाओगे. Okay? Over से 5 sentence, into से 5 sentence, onto से 5 sentence, to से 5 sentence, at से 5 sentence, on से 5 sentence, and in से 5 sentence. Understood? So all together 5, 6, 7, 8. 80 into 5.
40.
Yes?
40.
40 words. I want it next class.
Yes, sir.
Is that understood?
Yes, sir.
You do in your writing section copy.
Yes, sir.
And bio sketch also you complete. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.